Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Guys, don't forget, I bring you new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please remember to like, subscribe. Guys, I need lots of subscribers. Please subscribe. And don't forget to share. Share this information with people you care about, your loved ones, your family, your friends, people who you know need to learn about crypto, people who you know just need a basic understanding, because this channel is about providing information to everyone who wants to just learn about crypto and maybe become an investor. Okay, today I'm going to share information with you on how to earn money with crypto. I'm going to show you three easy ways to earn money with crypto. You don't have to be advanced. You don't have to do anything fancy. All you have to have is a small amount of money and be willing to invest that small amount so that you can earn money with crypto. Okay, first, number one, you're going to buy low and sell high. You're going to buy cryptocurrencies. You're going to buy low and sell high. Where a lot of people go wrong, they buy high and they sell low. Why? Because of emotions. Keep your emotionals out of investing. As an investor, you have got to have the temperament and the patience to watch your investment grow. Like I told you, when you buy anything, you wait for it to appreciate or to get higher in value, and then you sell it. Nobody in their right mind is going to buy something high and then sell it for lower. That's not how it works. Okay, so you're going to buy crypto high, buy crypto low, and then sell it high. First, you do your homework. I have lots of videos for you to watch. Makes it very simple for you. You can use them to help guide you in making your decisions. And then you're going to buy good projects within your budget. Don't take out loans to buy crypto. Don't buy crypto on credit. If your budget is $25 a week, if it's $250 per month, whatever your budget is, the wonderful thing about crypto and digital assets is right now you are very early and you can buy some phenomenal projects with a small amount of money. I have lots of videos telling you how to buy crypto projects under 50 cents, under 25 cents. Watch those videos and then do your own research, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and then buy good projects. And then number three, be patient. You're going to be patient. If you think you're going to be rich in 3 months or 6 months with crypto, some people have, but that was sheer luck. That's not typical. That's not typically how it works. However, in 2 to 4 years, if you invest in crypto and accumulate your positions, meaning that you just buy and buy using small amounts of money, you will have a substantial amount of money potentially if you purchase the right projects. The next thing you're going to do, you're not going to be glued to YouTube or glued to the channel and glued to your portfolio. You're going to check in periodically, and you're also going to watch my videos so you can get updates and know what's going on with the market. Check in periodically. You're going to continue to have healthy relationships with your friends and your family. You're not going to live, eat, die, and wake up to crypto. That's not how you're going to do it, because you are an investor. So if you own stock, if you own whatever else you may own, you don't look at it day in and day out. That's not what you do. You check in periodically. And then the final thing you do, you're going to sell high. When the crypto does take off, you're going to sell it high. You're going to know when you want to sell it, and you're going to know what you're going to sell it for. You're going to sell high, and that's how you're going to make money in crypto. So that's the number one. The first way to make money in crypto: buy low and sell high. All right, number two, you can earn money from staking. Staking is like earning dividends. If you own stocks in the stock market, some stocks pay dividends. That means you earn a certain amount of free money just for owning the stock. So staking, the only thing you need to remember about staking is free. When you stake your crypto, you're going to earn free tokens. Okay, so the first thing you do, focus on buying cryptos that you can stake. Okay, so you'll know if you can stake a crypto or not. So I primarily purchase cryptos that I can stake, because I make a nice amount of money in staking. Next thing, decide how long you want to stake. When you stake your crypto, each crypto has its own parameters. So some cryptos, you don't have to stake them for any time period. Some of them require you to lock it up for 6 days, 14 days. It might be 30 days. And so all of those different terms will determine how much you earn during your staking period. But remember, the key word for staking is free, 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 free. And I love it. So staking, you can simply buy your crypto, right? While you're waiting for that crypto to increase in price, you can stake it. That's the second way. And then what you do is you're just going to stake and earn, stake and earn. And once you earn those staking rewards, you can either sell those rewards because they come in the form of the token. So you can sell the token for whatever the price of the token is on that day. Or you can reinvest the amount of stake that you earned. So that's the second way to make money in crypto. Very easy. Just buy your crypto and then you stake it. But remember, not all cryptos are stakeable. So you've got to make sure you're buying the cryptos that you can stake. All right. So some of my favorites, let me give you some of my favorites. I stake using the Atomic Wallet. I'm not the biggest fan of the Atomic Wallet, but I do use it because I earn 7% on my Solana. I earn 14% on my Zeal. I also have the Daedalus Wallet where I stake my Cardano. I earn 5%. I have Harmony One. I stake my Harmony One in the Harmony One wallet. You can only do that on your laptop. So there's lots of different ways. And then I have a lot of other tokens. I stake my Matic. I earn about 12%. I stake my Chronos or my Crow. I earn about 14% in the DeFi wallet. So there's a lot of different ways. And guys, this is just free money. Okay, it's free and it's not going to last forever. That's way number 2 for an easy way for you to earn money with crypto. Number 3, buy NFTs. Now, what are NFTs? They are non-fungible tokens. You can buy domain NFTs on Unstoppable Domains. That's one of my favorite places. Domain NFTs, guys. I believe domain NFTs are going to be our digital identity of the future. I think we're all going to have a wallet and we're going to have multiple domain NFTs that we can identify with, that identify us. It may be our favorite sports team. It may be a politician. It may be your child's name or your grandchild's name. It may be the name of your college or university that you attended. It may be the name of your business. But I do believe domain NFTs are going to be the way of the future. They're going to replace .coms because they're much more advanced than .coms. And as we transition into this crypto universe, domains are going to transition into .crypto, I think .nfts, .daos, .blockchain, so forth and so on. So domain.nfts. And so what I've done as an investment play, I've purchased a lot of domain NFTs, lots of them. I've got some related to sports teams. I bought some related to politicians. I bought some that are related to like special events that we have in life, like weddings, like births, like business names. And so I'm going to hold those domain NFTs because they can also be used as a website and they can also be used as a payment address or a payment wallet. So domain NFTs are going to be a big thing. And right now you can buy some for as little as $5, which is amazing. Another type of NFT, you can buy them on OpenSea, on Rarible. It's not just art and those funny pictures you see, but a lot of artists that have wonderful art are selling their art as NFTs. Also game items. When you all look and see some of these digital assets and you see the prices on them, like one is smooth potion lotion or something like that. That's a game token, guys. So you have a lot of games that are on the blockchain and you can actually buy items for that game and they are NFTs and those are also listed on CoinGecko. So if you see something that sounds really strange, it may just be an NFT game token that you can purchase on the blockchain. And they're also collectibles. I think just like we trade baseball cards and we trade coins and other rare items, I think someday we will be trading domain NFTs. So there you go. You can buy, so 3 different ways that you can easily earn money with crypto, okay? You can, number 1, just buy the crypto. Don't do anything else. Buy it low. Buy it low, sell it high. That's way number one. Way number two, you can earn free tokens. And the way you earn that is through something called staking. And then number three, you can buy NFTs. And you can buy NFTs, you can buy them, and you can resell them. Those are three very easy, very basic ways for you to earn easy money in crypto. So I hope this helps. My name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, thanks for watching.